What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all know, I'm your boy Elyk-G, and today it is a cold 30-something degrees out here, and I'm literally coming out here throwing on the camera to make a video for you guys to show you an upgrade that I recently did, and actually to test out one that I actually recently did. I've yet to use it. I installed the thing. After I installed it, the bike blew up. I've been riding a little bit ever since then. As you know, finished the 250 build. It's dark in here, I know, so you probably can't see. But today, we're going to test out this little upgrade right here. That guy. Y'all see that? That's wheelie light. So now, no matter what, at night, I should be able to wheelie. I haven't tested it out doing sit-downs. I ain't tested it out doing no stand-up shit. But I was like, you know what? I got to get out and make a video. It's been a minute, so I'm going to throw on my gloves, my dual glove process, as you can see. This is how I get out here and be able to do this stuff for y'all. Stay somewhat warm. Not going to lie, though, this is the ticket when it comes to cold weather riding. If you could put a pair of rubber gloves, latex, nitriles, whatever, under your glove, Brian 636, good looking to Chicago world, letting the rest of the world know how they get down with the cold weather. So that's what we're doing. And then on top of that, we got our trusty dusty. It's wintertime. We got our HWK Motorsports out. If you ain't got none already, be sure to go pick up some, because I'm telling you, if it wasn't for these pants and jacket, I wouldn't be able to do this right here. Like, I'm legit in my drawers underneath this gear. I don't know if you can see it with the camera. Let me see if I can angle. I'm literally in my drawers under this in 34 degrees, and it's got me warm enough to ride. But yeah, we're going to take a trip over to my little dark lot. I actually forget how dark this one lot is at night. But we're going to take a trip over there and do a little bit of wheelies to see how the light check out. On with the journey. Issue with stunt bikes, you got to remember, turn your lights on. Like, they don't just come on like they do for everybody else. You got to turn them on. Turn them on. So the only reason I'm going this way is I want to hit my one little back road that I go down, which I know is dark. And that'll give me the ability to test out a sit down. And then we're going to hit the other little lot over here. And we're going to try some stand-ups. You know, it's been a long time since you rode when you pull out and you didn't even tighten your helmet up. Man, oh man. Tell you what, it's cold out here. Alright. That shit is brick, people. Brick. Well, we getting it done for y'all. So, it's probably been, I don't know, how many weeks? It's been at least 2 weeks since I've actually ridden this bike. Oh, honestly, she feels like crap to me, but that's because I got some work I got to do to her. So this is our dark street. This is what you see, what you get while you're riding down the street. Clip our light. Click it on. See that down on the ground there? A nice little lighting there. Now, my main concern is being able to see the road. First gear feels ugly. Oh my god. I don't know what the deal is with this bike. She ain't happy. But, oh well. Yeah, you kind of see, but not really. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's like an ambiance of light that's just on everything. Alright, so sit-down light, as a sit-down light, it really ain't that good. I'm going to give you all one more. We're going to do it this way, too. No normal headlight. zero light coming from that thing to help us out, people. So, we're going to have to figure some shit out. So that thing, it kind of helps, but it ain't worth a damn. We tried. We tried. I guess the main thing was whether or not it was good in the stand-up. Cold fingers, man. Oh my God! I'm glad I didn't come out here and try to make a circle wheelie like I was going to try to do at the beginning. These fingers don't want it, baby. Oh, now I understand why people ain't riding right now, yo. This shit hurts. You tell it's been weeks. I have no balance. You can't feel your fingers. That's why you can't circle. Oh, man, that's enough of that. Oh, it is cold. So we tested out our wheelie light. We'll give you one more test. Oh my God, too cold for this, man. I tried, y'all. Give me a thumbs up for effort. Thumbs down if you want to. I know it's a terrible video. But I'm trying. She probably ain't even get warm or nothing. Yeah, zero light whatsoever. So we might even just take that off and reposition it somewhere. Because it's literally doing nothing for me whatsoever. I tried, people. Alright, that's it, people. I'm your boy Elyk-G. Like, subscribe, comment. It's cold out here. Give me some love, man. I'm out here trying for y'all. It is cold as a witch's titty out here. Alright. One last one for the tube. Do it for the YouTube, baby. Fucking not being able to see in these cracks. That's a wrap, folks.